I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. How much slack should I cut a middle schooler who I know has a difficult home life and has had a tough morning before coming to school? We know that we have a lot of kids who fit into this particular place, and it's not their fault. They didn't create it, but it's their reality. So I always think about this. Should I cut them slack or should I raise the bar? I mean, seriously, I don't want to lower the bar for these kids. And I think sometimes we think we should back off when I want to give them more confidence. So raising the bar for them is I want to continue the narrative of you've got this, you are so capable. And I'm going to give them tutoring opportunities for younger kids. I'm going to put them in charge of different things. I'm going to recommend that be the child, especially a middle schooler, that goes down and talks to fourth graders or fifth graders before they transition to the middle school. So you don't always give that to a child who is doing well and has everything going on. Sometimes you take that child who's really struggling and they get a chance to go talk to a fifth grader to transition before middle school. It's so empowering and raises the bar for them that they get to experience what it can be like to really trust themselves and feel better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.